Hi everyone, actually good morning from Aberdare National Park, where today I'll be checking out a few waterfalls. The first waterfall I'll be visiting is the Karuru Waterfalls, which is the tallest waterfall in Kenya. Unfortunately, most of the road is closed, so I'm going to be walking 3 kilometers to get to one of the viewpoints. So I'll check in a while. Hi everyone, just checking in again. So after just under 4 kilometers, yep, 4 kilometers, not 3 kilometers, I made it to the viewpoint of the Karuru waterfall. Let me show you guys. So that was all the viewpoints for the waterfall. I'll be headed back now the same way. Another 4 kilometers. Meet up with my driver. Check in then. Okay guys, so I've made it to the base of the Magura Falls. Can you hear that the water rushing in the background? Let's have a look. Hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did. So we're headed now to our third and final waterfall, known as Chania Falls. Check in then. Okay everyone, so we about to head down to our third and final waterfall for the day, known as Chania Falls. I think it will be around 8 to 10 minutes. I'll check in then. Okay guys, I made it to the third waterfall, known as Chania Falls. Can you hear that in the background? Oh man, you guys just have to see this. Okay everyone, if you can hear me, something amazing. My first time ever, I'm standing behind a waterfall. You can hear that.